Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the last ever Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. And for anyone who's like, what the heck's a Glam Bag Plus? That means you're new here and welcome. Ipsy is a beauty subscription and this here is their plus bag, or was their plus bag. It's $27.99 a month and then there's a $1.99 handling fee. So basically it's a $30 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size products and you get to select 3 of those products. Starting next month in April, it's going to be the same thing, just has a different name. It's going to be BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Same 5 products, same choice of 3 of the products, same price point. All right, now that I've gotten all of that out of the way, let's open up the bag and remind myself what came in the bag, because even though I got to select the 3 products and they show you the other 2 products, did I mention today's the 19th? That was, when did we do that? 2nd, almost 3 weeks ago. All right, everything is in my bag, and this is the bag for the month, and I believe, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, that when it becomes BoxyCharm by Ipsy that these bags are going away, which honestly, I don't really care for these bags. I like the ones with the zippers better. The theme this month is Step Into Your Power. They haven't done anything on the card in ages, so let me get my cell phone and log into the app. All right, the first item is from Juice Beauty, and Ipsy put this in my bag. It is the Green Apple Age Defy Serum. Okay, I hate getting a full bag of skincare products, but I don't mind 1 or 2, particularly if it's a serum or moisturizer or eye cream that this 56-year-old face is in desperate need of. It is quite heavy. This is real glass, and you get 30 ml. And let's take a look. Oh, okay, it's the type that where you push down, and then when you open up, it should be a dropper. Yes, okay. Let's just, since I already opened it, do a little swatch and see what kind of formula. It's a little thicker. Can you even see it? Type of a serum. Not super thick, but not, I've had runnier. And does it smell like apples? Ish. It has a scent. Kind of fruity, but not so much apple. Apple-ish. I don't know. It doesn't smell bad. But if I hadn't read the word apple on the packaging, I wouldn't have gone, ooh, apple. But then again, we all know how good I am at describing scents. All right, what does that retail for? Okay, not bougie, but above average, I would say. It retails for $59. All right, next product. What do we have here? Honestly, when I saw this out of the corner of my eye, I thought it was something from Drunk Elephant. Not that I've owned anything from Drunk Elephant, but their packaging is kind of pastel-y and more square, but what is this? Okay, so it's by a brand called BYOMA, and it's a moisturizing rich cream. Rich is in texture, or rich is in you're going to need a lot of money to buy this sucker? No! So rich must be the formula, because this only retails for $16. The packaging is fascinating to me. Oh, look, it even has a pump. All right, let's see what kind of product this is. Of course, you have to squeeze it. All right, there it goes. It is a white cream. Not thick, but not thin. Does not seem to have a scent. Feels nice on my hand, at least. The ingredients seem lovely. There's ceramides and bakuchiol, which is a plant-based form of retinoid. Yes, all right. This is the type of skincare that, as long as I don't get any others, I'm fine with. All right, what else came in my bag? All right, we have something from KVD. This here is the Good Apple Lightweight Full Coverage. Ooh, that's right, concealer. Totally forgot we got to choose this. I absolutely love when we get to choose either a foundation or concealer. That is the ultimate best type of product I can ever get in a beauty subscription. Oh, look how pretty the packaging is. All right, so this seems to be, I thought it was a squeezy drop. It's not, it's hard, but let's take a look here at the wand. Oh, interesting. It's like what I call a little shoe. Um, okay, not sure why they have something that looks like it would be a dropper. Just aesthetics, I guess. Let's see how they did on the shade match. What I will miss about BoxyCharm is when they did have a concealer or foundation, you could actually select which shade you wanted. In Ipsy, they just go off your profile, and their profiles are very slim. Like, are you fair? Are you light? Are you medium? Are you dark? And if you say you're fair, they're just going to give the same shade of fair, whether you're the lightest fair or the darkest fair. And by dark fair, meaning before you hit the light, you know what I mean? There's a range there. But let's see. All right, that is a little light, but I don't know. I guess I'd rather a little light than too dark. Although, Nola, I think this will do really well for your fair skin. I'm still going to use it and wear it. All right, if anyone was curious, I have the shade Light 103, and this retails for $30. All right, next item, we have something from TRESLÚCE, and this here is the Lips Be Like Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Dazzling. Now, I did receive the same lip gloss, but in a different shade. I want to say in the January box of some sort. I'm guessing Ipsy. Ooh, okay. So this here is kind of a golden shimmery shade, which I personally love. Let's see. Yeah, it has like a standard cake batter vanilla frosting type scent. Let's see how she looks on my lips. Very pretty. By the way, the lip gloss retails for $16. And if you are like me and cannot stand when lip gloss burns your lips because it's plumping, no. This one, I can't even feel anything. I'm not sure why it's called a plumping gloss. I prefer that it's not. But if you're into plumping glosses for that sensation, I would maybe skip this because it doesn't feel like anything. All right, and then the last item in a box that's opened. Are we good? I hope so. This here is from Bobbi Brown, and it's the Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick. I have it in the shade Vanilla, which if you've watched my channel, I have one of these, or like a sample size, that I thought was like a nice little light shimmer shade. And it wasn't. It was, I think, a medium brown. And I grabbed it to put in my inner corner, and yeah, not so much. Let's take a swatch of this one. All right, I don't know if it will show up on camera because it's practically the same color as my skin tone. It's right there. I will be using this for a quick and easy, like, primer for my eyes before applying eyeshadow. All right, what does that retail for? Shut up. $32, although I guess you're paying for the name Bobbi Brown. All right, let's recap everything that came in the March 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Got a Hydrate and Restore Moisturizing Cream from BYOMA, the Green Apple Age Defy Serum from Juice Beauty, the Lips Be Like Plumping Lip Gloss from TRESLÚCE, the Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick from Bobbi Brown, and the Good Apple Full Coverage Concealer from KVD Beauty. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is one of the better boxes I've received in quite a while. I love getting more makeup than skincare, and if and when I do get skincare, I like it to be either a serum, a moisturizer, or eye cream. We got a serum, we got a moisturizer, so yay. I love lip gloss. I love getting lip gloss in something that doesn't burn or sting my lips, and in a shade I will use and enjoy. Cream eyeshadow stick isn't my favorite, but I love being able to try bougie brands like Bobbi Brown, so this is perfect. And I love getting complexion products, concealers, or foundation in beauty boxes. It gives you a chance to try a brand that either you've never tried before, or let's be honest, at least for me, the price point is a little intimidating. So I am super happy to get a concealer. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of this box. I bet it's decent. This box is totally worth it in my opinion from both an MSRP value perspective as well as from do I like the products perspective. I would say for me this is a 5 out of 5 box, which if you've been following me for a while you know does not happen very often. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of my box? What did you get in your box? Have you seen others do their unboxings yet? And if so, how does my box stack up compared to their boxes? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.